Understanding getaway car, an idiomatic expression in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, getaway car. This term is not only interesting but also quite common in movies, books, and everyday conversation. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your own English conversations. A getaway car is a vehicle used to escape from a scene, especially after a robbery or a crime. This term comes from the word getaway, which means an escape or a quick departure, and car, which you all know is a vehicle. So, a getaway car is literally a car used to get away from somewhere quickly, often after a crime. In everyday English, getaway car can be used metaphorically. It doesn't always involve a crime. For instance, someone might say, "Our van became the getaway car for our surprise road trip." Here, getaway car is used to describe a vehicle used for a fun, spontaneous escape, not a criminal act. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. In a movie scene, the robbers jumped into their getaway car and sped away from the bank. 2. In a lighter context, after the party, we all piled into Jake's car, our unofficial getaway car for a night of adventure. Sometimes, getaway car is used in idiomatic expressions to convey different meanings. For example, in a song or a story, a getaway car might symbolize escape from a situation or relationship. It's important to understand the context to grasp the idiomatic meaning. So, that's the scoop on getaway car. Whether it's in a thrilling crime movie or as a metaphor for escaping life's everyday routine, this phrase is a great addition to your English vocabulary. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Keep practicing, and see you in the next one.